What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Shimano XT 12-speed derailleur. This is going to be going on my Stump Jumper Evo, so let's get started. So I'm going to be doing a mix between XT and SLX on my Stump Jumper, and I thought the XT derailleur would be a really good upgrade. So we're going to get this out and then eventually weigh it for you guys. Here we are, nicely packaged. So we'll skip all the struggle here and we'll get it out. So here is the XT 12-speed derailleur. I went with this over the SLX because of the adjustment of the clutch. You can do it externally rather than internally on the SLX, along with some weight savings. So we'll weigh this. So this comes in at 281 grams, so a little bit lighter than the SLX. I also wanted to stay consistent with the shifter. I wanted the perks of having the XT shifter, so I went with the XT derailleur. Got a pretty good deal on backcountry. Your first order on there, you get 15% off. So I picked this up. Thought it was a good deal. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video on the XT derailleur. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.